famous potatoes that are more delicious than meat. For this recipe, we are going to cut 800 grams of potatoes here. Cut into cubes like this. Add to a pan and add water to cover. Now let's cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. Now I'm going to turn it off and put the potato in a container, and I will mash it very well. And guys, you're already commenting on which city you're watching us from. I'm going to send you a super special hug. For each of you who have commented, I'm going to grate a carrot now. Put a spoonful of butter in a frying pan and wait for the butter to melt. And then add our carrot. And let's sauté this carrot very well, right? Alright, we're done. Now let's put it on top of the potato. Add 150 grams of mozzarella, chop parsley and chives. And we're going to mix it up really well. Guys, this recipe is super easy to make and it's delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. I will now add a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of black pepper, and I will mix it very well. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Isabella from New York. Thank you very much for always following us. Thank you so much. I'm going to take some with a spoon now and model it that way. In that format. Very easy and very practical. In another container, add 2 eggs, 2 spoons of yogurt, 3 spoons of wheat flour. Hit very well. And add our little recipe like this. In a frying pan I will put oil and wait for it to heat up. When it's really hot, I'm going to add our potatoes with the help of a fork like this. When it is fried on one side, just turn it over to fry the other side and then just remove it. Our recipe is ready, and you can see that it is super easy to make. And it's delicious. I'm sure everyone will get over it. So if you liked it already, share, and see you next time.